English you can live in. Flight choices. I scroll through flights, my fingers fly. Window or aisle, I can't deny. Some planes are fast, some make me wait. Layovers pop up, I calculate. Economy's cheap, but business glows. I check the reviews before I close. Seats recline or stay upright, meals and screens, I pick what's right. Click, compare, then I book my trip, digital tickets in my tight grip. I pack my bag with the weather in mind. Adventure waits, excitement I find. Answer the following questions. Well done! You did it! Compare your answers with the suggested ones.